Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel Mahesh English Times, devoted to English literature, language and English research. I have been giving videos to you for the benefit of those PhD scholars in English literature who are searching for topics of English literature. So I have given many videos on that. This particular video is also about a new topic which can be explored while you are writing a research paper or you are writing your PhD thesis, and that topic is of graphic novels. Have you heard this term, graphic novels? Let's see what it is. So graphic novels is basically the novels which contain lot of pictures in them. So as you must have seen the kids comics book. So the comic books actually they contain lot of pictures and how two people having dialogue exchange. So there will be a picture of a boy or a girl speaking something, and then the other boy will speak something, and the scenario where they are talking is also described. So any book which has a lot of pictures, and usually comic books used to contain this, but nowadays even adult novels or novels which are written on children, they are called as graphic novels. Comic book word is also there, but this term is also used. So it's a sort of a version of comic books only, but any novel which has a lot of beautiful pictures in it is called a graphic novel. This term was actually first coined by Richard Kyle in 1964. So this term of graphic novel had its beginning in 1964, and then the term gained popularity with the publication of Evel Eisner's A Contract with God. So when this book A Contract with God came with a lot of pictures in it, it became very popular and a hit, and from that point onwards this term of graphic novels became very popular. Now I'm giving you sample and examples of some graphic novels on which you can do your research or your PhD. Nimona. This is written by Noel Stevenson. This is one book. Harry Potter, as we all know, it's very popular. Again, this can be explored as in research paper or for your thesis. We have written by J.K. Rowling, and we have a series of books on Harry Potter. Then The Blank Hound and Scooby-Doo. These are all graphic novels. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. This is also a graphic novel. Now this is not containing completely content related to kids, but it also has content related to adults. V for Vendetta. Now this is written by Alan Moore and David Laird. So this book is also a graphic novel, and it is containing content related to adulthood or not related to kids. So these are all examples or books which you can explore for your PhD thesis or for your research, where you are taking graphic novels as a topic for your thesis. So once again I'll show you some the names. V for Vendetta, To Kill a Mockingbird, Harry Potter, Nimona. So these are certain examples. Now we will try to see how we can choose a topic which can be related to these graphic novels. So we are discussing about graphic novels. So I have this graphic novel in my hand. You can see this is Geronima Stilton, The Temple of the Ruby of Fire. Now this particular book is actually coming under the category of graphic novel. So if I show you the contents, how that graphic novels look like, you will see the pages. So each page has a colorful picture. Each page has colorful pictures in it. So this is how the graphic novel looks like. Now as you can see, why it is called a graphic novel and why it has been linked with comic books, because it has beautiful pictures in it and stories described to make the book look more and more attractive. Now what topic could you choose when you want to write a research paper on graphic novel or you want to do your thesis on graphic novel, the topic that you could choose is, you have to now all these books, like for example this book is a story of a mouse, and this mouse is running a printing press, and they are releasing books and stories, and that mouse has friends, and the friends and this mouse are going on an adventure, and it's like normal kids, what normal kids are doing, and they're going on adventure trips like Alice in Wonderland. Harry Potter, for example, Harry Potter has a story where the kids are studying in a school and they're learning magic, and magic tricks are being played. So all these are related to adventures of kids. Basically, the basic theme of all these graphic novels of kids is about adventures which the children undergo. Now you can choose that topic of adventure, of how children go about, have fun, enjoy life, and they are growing as responsible citizens. Now when we link it to the present day scenario, in this scenario where there are lockdowns and schools are closed, children are not going out to study, the children are even not going out to play, their world is inside the four walls of the house, so they are only exploring the these devices, this laptop, mobile, television, electronic devices is their world. They are not they are deprived of the outside world, of the fun that kids had in the earlier times in the outside world. So we can link this present situation, that now kids are not having that fun and adventure which is described in these kind of books, where these kids or these animals are going out having fun, learning magic, going for picnics, going for parties, interacting with each other, fighting with each other, then solving their problems. This particular aspect of fun and adventure is being deprived now in the kids of the present day generation because of the coronavirus or because of the lockdowns. The schools have been closed for the past 1 year. So how their interaction is low. Now this affects the psyche of an individual. The fun and adventure part which is missing in the present day scenario in the kids life, and which is present in these novels, we can link them, that if the present day kids also have this kind of fun and adventure, it is good for the development of brain and body, physical body of the kids. Whereas now the kids, as they are staying indoors, they lack physical activity, they lack that social exposure, so their emotional aspect is also being affected. So how their psyche, their physical growth, their emotional intelligence is getting affected in absence of all this fun and adventure which is being described in these books. So this way you can link the theme of these novels with the present day scenario and make a research paper and make a PhD thesis on it. So you have to always have a particular issue which you have to raise, a research question which you have to raise, link it with the present day scenario, link it with the novels, and then make a research title and make a research topic. So I hope this video is of big help to those who are still looking for a PhD topic. Graphic novels, kids literature, link it with the present day problems and make a very significant contribution in the world of literature, in the world of research, by coming up with a new and latest topic. Thank you so much for watching. If you want my personal guidance, I am at the end in the description box. I'll be sharing my email ID and WhatsApp number. You can contact me and we can discuss more about this topic and come to a conclusion. Thank you so much.